You got a fish.
Got a fish.
He got it. He got it.
No, I'm gonna let him go. He's just a little guy.
Can we see? Can we see? Can we see? Wait, you should let Reagan see him.
Reagan's not around, so
Reagan!
I can't keep him out of the water that long.
Okay. Can we see him?
Absolutely.
I can't come out there, so you have to show us.
Because I have my hands wet. I'll just hold it real quick and put it back in. I like putting the fish back in.
Let's see. Ooh, look at that. It's a fish, it's a
Put
fish.
him in now. He's ready to go.
Oh, that's so cool.
Sit him up. Sit him up.
He's not dead, right?
No, he'll go. There we go. There he goes.
There he goes. Bye-bye.
I always wash my hands after I do it.
His first fish of the day.